All right, y'all, I just discovered something about this carrier that is gonna be a game changer for us Bronco and Jeep owners. I can't believe I didn't even think about this being an extra benefit, but check this out. One of the worst things about having one of these carriers with a vehicle that has the tire on the back with the swing out is you have to take this off completely to be able to open your gate. Until now, check this out. Now, I've got 35-inch tires on mine. What? I don't even have to say anything else. Are you serious? I seriously don't even know what to say. That is a game changer. That is huge for anybody like that's got a Jeep or a Bronco to be able to do that. They came up with this clever design to add this license plate holder. So we're gonna just place it here, install this, and we're pretty much done with the installation. Let's knock that up. Now, another cool thing about that's so smart about this design is if the carrier was folded up, what's so cool about this is it's on a spring. So if you push it in, you'll be able to turn it into where now this thing is folded up, the license plate will be facing forward. So you're not blocking the license plate again. That's really smart. Well, what's great about Mockins is they include this Hitch Stabilizer with the kit that we can put on there and really help stabilize, what's in the word, the carrier. So we'll go ahead and put that on and we'll keep going. Would you look at that? Just look at it. No, but seriously, that thing is really cool because now I'm shaking this just as hard and you notice it's not moving at all. That Hitch Stabilizer really makes a big thing. Now, another thing that's nice with this kit is Mockins has included a locking cam. That's really nice that it comes with that. Really nice quality too. To show you the fold-up feature. So check this out, this is pretty cool. Easy to do, all we're gonna do is undo these springs. Here's the cool thing, remember, told you about this. Tilt that down, flip this up, put the pin in, and there you go. This, the Mockins cargo net, this is my favorite. This thing right here is so secure. I absolutely love it. The cool thing about it, what I like is these little hooks. It's kind of hard to put on, but they were smart enough to put these little finger grips that lets you really yank down on it. And there you have it. Now, another thing I like about this carrier is depending on how much you have on here, you can hook this on this bottom bar, this middle bar, or this high bar, and it's gonna allow you to put more or less on there and still have good tension. Pretty cool. All right, y'all, so that wraps up the video. Again, really impressed with the Mockins car carrier. It's got the 14-inch rails that really help hold things in a lot higher than the previous models. I love that it can condense down, fold up out of the way once you're not using it. Again, for people with Broncos and Jeeps, with it folded down, the door opens even with 35-inch wheels on it, 35-inch tires. But the other bag, the cargo net, this thing is rock solid. I love the flippable license plate holder as well. Only thing left to do is get out of town.